Here at World Skydiving Center, we're the only skydiving center in the city limits of Jacksonville. We're fully licensed and insured, and we follow the United States Parachute Association rules and guidelines. We also follow all the FAA guidelines and regulations.
Almost anybody can skydive. Age doesn't really matter. It's more just physical health. The oldest person I've jumped with was in their 90s. If they can do it, you can do it. I've also taken lots of quadriplegic, paraplegic people, amputees. Really, just about anybody can skydive. It's that easy.
I've been a skydiving instructor for over 5 years now. The main thing that I usually hear from my students after we've landed is the experience is just amazing, that there's no other words to compare it to. It's just simply the best experience that they've ever had. Even if they're never going to do it again, they always tell their friends, hey, you got to try it at least once. It is without a doubt the coolest thing you'll ever be able to do in your life.
I took my daughter on her very first skydive when she was 18. And now she is actually learning how to skydive at our drop zone with my instructors. And she's already on her 6th skydive today. So it's just so you don't think I'm just here to try to take your money. So when I tell you it's safe, you can believe me.
The first solo jump was unlike anything I've ever done. Of course, it was a little scary because I was responsible for myself, but it was the biggest thrill I could ask for. Especially the sense of accomplishment. I had never been more proud of myself. Skydiving for us has always been a family affair, so why not get your family involved?
You will have the time of your life, guaranteed.
It was excellent. I think it's something that everyone should do.
Now, you were pretty nervous beforehand.
I was very nervous.
So was it easier than you thought?
Yes, you did a great job.
Thank you. You did good too.
He made me feel very safe and secure.
You did very good yourself.
Thank you.
Think you'd ever do it again?
I probably would, yes. Yeah. I'm definitely going to encourage my kids to do it, actually.